We in Miami-Dade County are totally committed to accelerating change, prioritizing these necessary improvements to water quality. We could not do it alone. We can only do it with a strong, leaderful South Florida Water Management District. We can get this important piece done. It is the last piece of our Everglades restoration for this area, and really a model for the world.
What the state of Florida has in South Florida Water Management District is that relentless advocacy to keep projects going for Everglades restoration, and we're seeing that here today. Everglades restoration is critical for the habitat, as you see here. Everglades restoration is critical for the wildlife that lives in that habitat. It's critical for the human environment as well. And that all can exist at the same time. But it takes everyone here.
Biscayne Bay is our crown jewel. It is our Mount Rushmore. It is our Central Park, and we need to take care of it. Thank you to our partners at the Corps. Thank you to Secretary Hamilton and the DEP. But I do want to specially thank the leadership at Miami-Dade County.
Welcome to a wonderful place, a wonderful park next to a wonderful wetlands that's going to get wonderfully restored. The pump station is upstream of this canal. It pumps off the canal over to the 1,700 acres of wetlands to the north of us, rehydrates those wetlands, and what you're seeing at Deering Estate, you'll see here at Cutler Wetlands.